approximately 5 a.m. and I am getting ready for my flight. Got like 4 hours of sleep last night, but we're going to Hawaii, so who can complain? I'm running a little bit behind, but we're ready to go, so let's get in the car and head to the airport. We made it on the plane. I had a really short layover because we were stuck on the plane for like an extra 30 minutes, but we're about to head off for Maui. Say hi, Judy. It is a rainy day, but this is the view. We got the ocean over there. Probably have to show this better on like a clear day. And then that is the banyan tree over there, which is where I ate last night. I am at the banyan tree trying eating like a pretzel. It was so good. I had the mahi, which is the catch of the day. It was pouring rain and I have to walk out in the open to get to my room. But everything so far has been beautiful. This place has been great because I used to work at a travel agency and make catalogs for Hawaii restaurants, and then today I'm actually here eating at one of the restaurants and catalogs, so just surreal. Also, can we just talk about how far I've come in my food journey? Like, just a couple of months ago, I never would have been able to eat this, and now that I eat it without taking anything off is a big accomplishment. And now we are just getting ready to head downstairs to meet with Rebecca and have some breakfast before we go chocolate taste testing. This is nice! I'm building my hat collection! Oh my gosh! Wow, look at that! Aloha, Tatiana and Judy. Welcome to beautiful Kapalua. We look forward to helping you create inspiring new content.
She's literate.
Yes! Yeah, semi-literate. Oh, that's so sweet. So where are we headed to?
We're going to a chocolate tasting.
I have no idea what we're gonna taste though. Like just different amounts of dark chocolate maybe?
Dark chocolate. I think milk chocolate too. Their milk chocolate is super good. I went to a chocolate festival recently.
Really?
And the Hawaiian chocolate, yeah. They have a PNW chocolate festival and the Hawaiian chocolate is so good.
A good rainy day activity.
It really is. It really is. We're in a Camaro. I can't even. It says on the door. It's so fancy. A 2-door.
Oh yeah.
Very sporty. It literally says.
So that's mango. How did you like that one?
Amazing. Yeah, that
The other point of reference, like
What did you think of the taste testing, Judy?
It was so good.
What was your favorite?
The mango.
And what are we about to go do?
Buy the mango dark chocolate.
It was so good. It tasted so much like mango, and I don't know how they do that in a chocolate. He was out here cracking jokes, and I think Judy and I were the only ones laughing. It was
Everyone
funny.
else was like dead faced and we were like cracking up in the back.
It was a good time. We enjoyed it.
Classic.
We are already eating shaven ice. What flavors did we get?
Guava, mango, and papaya.
Yeah, with mochi on top.
I'm the only one with an umbrella. That's hilarious.
We are going surfing. It's supposed to be at 7:45. The sun has not come up yet, but that means we're gonna see it on our drive. We're gonna grab a bite to eat, something really quick before we head out to surf. There is a high surf advisory, so we'll see if we actually go surfing. This is my already eaten croissant. Judy got the breakfast burrito, and we're having some pineapple smoothie.
We're going to be with the 3 boys here, so show them how to do it.
Oh my gosh, I don't know about that.
Something like that.
up?
Turns out trying to do like 3 things at once, taking photos, doing video at the same time is just a lot. Where'd it go? Come back. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh.
Bye vitamin D deficiency.
Hello, sunscreen.
Yeah. I'd take sunscreen any day.
Look at the little chickens. It's been a long day and I am sweating, but it's been the most magical day of everything. We went surfing this morning. I did not wipe out like I did the first time I ever tried. I'm actually pretty proud of myself. There was no one there because we took the 7 a.m. shift, so didn't have to crash into anyone either. We're back at the hotel. Judy went whale watching, which I get to do tomorrow, so I'm just like exploring the back of the hotel. There's this insane golf course, which like I want to play, but also I'm too scared to play. So I don't think I'm gonna do it, but at least I get to see it. It is beautiful. And then just walk some rocks to this like vantage point. Just beautiful sights everywhere. There's a ton of mosquitoes, but worth it for the views you're getting. Yeah, honestly, just feel super happy that Judy was able to come with me and enjoy this experience with me. Maui's incredible, and yeah, just feeling very fortunate.
I guess that what they say is true. The best intentions can be cruel. You love someone, you hate someone. You're not enough, you are enough.
That'd be pretty sweet.
Yeah, I feel like we're kind of over rainbow, right?
I know, wait, we've been in Hawaii, we haven't seen one. It literally just finished raining. Wow, this is actually awesome. You manifested that.
I did.
like I finally got accustomed to driving this Chevy Camaro.
I know, and it's the powerful version. Look at that. It's the SS.
So we made it to Haleakalā. We got a spot in the summit.
Yeah, we got a parking spot.
I know, we got very lucky. Actually, the first time we didn't get lucky, but we tried again. It's a little chilly. The road up here was very windy, but I got a lot of fog going on right now. But hopefully it'll clear up some. Also, how was it, Judy? Let's turn and show them the view. It was so good. Oh, it's not really showing up.
I know,
but you'll have to trust us.
It's amazing. Better in person. You gotta check it out.
It wasn't looking very good in the beginning, though. It looked like we were gonna see a thing, but
I had lots of doubts.
It cleared up once everyone left, so I think everyone just had to leave.
Yep.
Yeah.
It really did clear up as soon as everyone left.
It really did. In the bathroom. Where there's a mirror, there's a way. It has been a dream. I ordered some room service. It's all the way over there. Because I'm too tired to go down for dinner and I'm trying to pack everything. Hopefully it'll all fit. I think it will. But I had some alla vodka pasta and it was spicy. Oh my gosh. I've tried so many new foods since I got here. I tried sushi. I had mahi-mahi. I don't even know what else I tried. Today's my last morning. Sad to go. It is a beautiful day out. This is it. Sad to see it go. It's probably the most gorgeous day we've had here. Wow.